Is your Instagram email outdated? Here's how to update your email and keep your account secure within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change email in Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram on your device. Once logged in, tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. In the top right corner of your profile screen, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them. Inside the settings menu, tap on the account. This is where Instagram lets you manage all your account related settings. Furthermore, select personal details. You will see your current email address listed in the contact information. Tap on it. This will allow you to enter a new email address. After entering your new email, make sure to double check the spelling to avoid errors. And tap Next. Instagram will send a confirmation email to your new email address to verify the change. So this is how to change email in Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.